Hey guys, so this video was requested. Hopefully the sound's better on this one because I really don't want to keep doing the same videos over and over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert these pens into diamond drill pens. So these pens I got from Dollar Tree. They come one to a pack and there's different colors. I have a green, a blue, and a pink, but my mother has them. And then these are just empty gel pens from coloring, adult coloring, and so I was going to see if I can convert these. And what you're going to do is gut your pens. Then you're going to want to take the tip of the pen and just make sure that the tip of the drill pen fits in there. Because if it doesn't, it's not going to work. And you're going to take, I'll do all three of these real quick, your normal drill pen. And there's a little lip right here. Make sure you can see that. And you can use scissors, you can use whatever. I just use my X-Acto. And I kind of go around the edge here until it pops off. So you're going to have just that piece of the gel pen. And you're going to take this bit, you're going to stick the gel piece inside, and then I just use the pen piece it's not in there, right? So pop it You're going to want to pop it through a little bit more. I'm not getting a good grip on it. Oops. Okay. Now it's not completely popped through on this one, which means this one's probably not going to be very good. It's only kind of popped out the very top. And then you're going to take your glue gun and you're just going to put a little bit of glue in there to secure it. And then since this is clear, what I can do is I'm just going to go ahead and put this on before the glue dries. Okay. It's not on there, right? See, the glue's starting to dry, so it's hard to get back on there. But you want to put it on before the glue actually dries completely. And then for this one, you can take the back off. You can put stuff in here, like, let's see, do I have any? I don't have any extra drills, but you can put those in there like your extras, or you can fill it with pretty much anything. And then you've got yourself a little drill pen. Now, I don't know if this one will be big enough. The pen looks a little weird. Let's see. That should work. Alright, well, I put this in here to see if it would fit, and it popped off in there. So I'm going to take this pen and push it down a little bit further. Whoop, we pushed a little too far there. Here we go. Put some glue to secure it. Replace it before it dries. Okay, so you got yourself, let's see if it'll focus. Focus. And then you got yourself this little teeny, I don't know anybody who would use a teeny pen, a little tiny gel pen. You put a little squishy around it. And you got yourself this little teeny tiny gel pen. These are the squishy grips. I love them. Dollar Tree. Okay, and then for this last one, I know this will fit because I've done these. And just so y'all know, I'm still new to doing videos, so if the volume's off or the camera angle's bad, just let me know and I will try my best to fix those issues. Got your pen. Stick that in, just like so. Put your glue in. Put it back on before it dries. I don't know what that was. Hopefully it didn't dry yet. There it goes. Okay, well I'm going to leave that in there because it's pushing it down in there. Then you put it back on. And there you go. Got yourself a nice gel pen. It's got a little diamond. My favorite color, so I'll probably use this one the most. But there you go. You got yourself your own gel pens, and you can literally use any pens that you like as long as the end of the normal gel pen fit inside or fit in the end of the pen. So like I've tried these in a previous video, but they're just a little too small for the gel pen part to go through. So you just have to try. What I do is if I go shopping or anything like that, I carry one of these with me, and I'll stick it, if I find a pen that I like that's not in a package that I can't open, I'll just stick the end of the pen in there to make sure that it fits. And then there you go. So you can use regular gel pens, normal pen, whatever kind of pen you want, as long as that end of the normal gel pen fits in there. So I hope you like this. I did this because it was requested. If you guys have any other requests on storage or anything like that, just let me know in the comments below, and I will try to get those videos out to you. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye.